Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh. Today, outside on the ASMOKE Essential, we are going to be making a classic smoked queso dip. Then we're gonna follow it up with reverse searing some New York strip steaks, cut them up, maybe have some queso, some steak. Who knows what we're gonna do? It's gonna be awesome. Stay tuned. Let's jump into the show. If you haven't seen our latest video on the ASMOKE Essential, which is right there, battery powered, portable wood pellet grill, very intuitive, super easy. We've already done a couple cooks on it. So today what I figured, I was trying to rack my brain. What's good for tailgating, camping, that I wanna bring my portable battery powered pellet grill out to? I'm like, obviously smoked queso dip. Disposable pan, Velveeta cheese. There's honestly so many different recipes. I'm just gonna show you mine. It's super simple, but we're gonna smoke it at about 350, 375, get it all cheesy and delicious. Then I'll pull that off or I'll set it aside. I'm gonna reverse sear some New York steaks. I'm gonna use that sear plate technology in the ASMOKE Essential. So I'm gonna finish it off over some live fire right over the firebox with the pellets. Then I'm gonna cube up those New Yorks, maybe dump a little into the queso, chip, little bite of New York steak, chips, queso. Sounds really good to me. Perfect tailgate camping food. Or maybe we'll just do some strips of the New York and just have some queso and steak. You can't go wrong either way. All right, let's jump into the recipe. Everything is going to be down below, so no need to write anything down. I'm gonna show you what I've already done in the kitchen. We'll let this finish getting heated up. We'll bring you right back. So this thing is warming up. I've already cleaned it once. We've been using the hell out of it. It works great. So great for camping, great for tailgating. I'm using my griddle as the little table. Watch the first video, I talk a lot about it, but let's go inside and prep some stuff. The ingredients are actually super simple. This was 6 jalapeños, de-seeded, de-cored, chopped up, 1 onion chopped up that I did by hand. This is 2 16-ounce, it's the smaller boxes of Velveeta that I just cubed up. Underneath that is a little block of smoked Gouda cheese. I'm gonna add in this Hunt's Fire roasted diced, and then I'm also gonna add in 1 can of Rotel. That's it. And then Uncle Steve Shake, we obviously, you know, we love UncleSteveShake.com. If you order something from him, tell him Josh and Babe sent you, he'll hook it up. Just a little barbecue rub on there. This is going on the ASMOKE, like 375, just until whenever, and stir it up and make it beautiful. Then I'll start working on my New Yorks, which is also seasoned up with UncleSteveShake.com. Easy peasy, recipe down below. All right, when the smoker comes up to temperature, let's go outside and get this on the smoke. Well, we're finally up to temperature. It's a little warm out here, so I was trying to figure everything out. I took the top rack out, and I'm just gonna put this right over here and let that just chill. Maybe I'll just put it right in the dead middle. But regardless, once the top rack's out with the 271 square inches, should be good to go. Boom. See you in a couple of hours. Maybe an hour. I'll check it in like an hour, hour and 20 minutes. Now, this is very hot. It has been 1 hour and 15 minutes, and I kind of have been fluctuating between 350 and 375. And you can see it smells amazing. It's a little more liquidy than I wanted, but I think it'll be really good over some chips like nachos, especially with like that New York that we're gonna work on in a little bit. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna turn down the temperature a little bit and just let it rock a little bit longer. I mean, clearly it's done. It's very melted. It smells delicious. It's very ooey gooey, but we'll go like another 15 or 20 minutes. That'll put it at like an hour and a half. So I think that'll be good. And then we'll start working on the steaks. Okay, we're in the middle of the video. I just wanted to take this moment to say thank you to all of our people that watch us on YouTube. There's a little join button next to the subscribe button. They're channel members. I'm gonna put their name up on the screen right now. Thank you, thank you, thank you for supporting Babe and my little hobby. All right, let's jump back into the video. I turned it down to 275, like I said. It's been about an hour and a half. We're working on like an hour and 45 minutes. This is starting to thicken just a little bit better. I don't know if you guys can see that a little bit better. Got all the little crusties around here, which you know that tastes good. So I'm gonna still let this go. Like I said, I have it at 275 right now, and I could start to kind of mess with my steaks a little bit, but I don't want to get this to get hot and like coagulate. So let's see what we can do here. What I'm thinking, Abe Lincoln, let's see if I can make this work. So if I put this up like that over there, and then I'm gonna start with my New Yorks. I guess the gardener also wanted to start right now. And I'm gonna start to get a little bit of smoke on them. probably like this. And then underneath this tin of cheese, that's where the seared plate technology is. So once they're ready to sear, I'm gonna open that up, I'll crank up the heat, and then we'll do some live fire. But in the meantime, this is gonna get my steaks starting to get some smoke on them. My cheese is done, but I still wanna keep it warm. We're set at 275, like I keep repeating myself. So let's just start there, and we'll check back in like 20 minutes. All right, cheese dip is done. Open the sear plate technology. I just wanna get a little crust on these New Yorks now that it's all open and we have direct access to the firebox. And then we'll cube them up, throw it in the cheese, or people can just eat it if they want to eat it. A couple New Yorks, some cheese dip, all done on the ASMOKE. Very convenient. Imagine how much fun if you were tailgating it would be. Pretty cool. Cool little toy. All right, I'll see you back inside when these are all done. So at the end of every video, somebody always makes a guest appearance.
I know, it's so lovely coming home and you having all of this wonderfulness for me. I appreciate you.
All right, babe.
Okay, so what do I do?
Well, I was thinking, I mean, people can do whatever they want, to try it with a chip.
Okay.
But then I was thinking, what if it was a chip cheese with a bite of steak on it?
Because these scoops are kind of perfect. It's
Yeah.
like its own little taco bowl,
Yeah.
you know? And
That's
then
what I was
there's a little
thinking.
bite of steak in it.
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of cheese dip is it?
It's just a cheese dip that I made, just a random basic smoked cheese dip. It's like an hour and 45 minutes on the smoke, and Velveeta, Gouda, fresh jalapeno, onion, Rotel, fire roasted tomatoes,
You can't go wrong with that.
Uncle Steve's,
It's really good.
stuff like
That
that.
steak is really tender.
And it's just in New York. I don't know, I was thinking about if you had that grill and you were camping or tailgating, what would you make?
Yeah.
That camping food. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Super good.
So,
Super easy too, I bet.
there you go, guys.
Nice. Thank you, babe.
Something for you to make. Pretty decent.
Really good.
And the little live fire put a little char on it. Might have been too much. I like it a little more medium rare, but
This all tastes
whatever.
perfect.
Yeah, it's good. Uncle
love
Steve's
it.
never lets us down.
Nope.
All
Good
right.
job.
We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Just wanted to thank you guys again for watching another one of our social media videos. Little hobby. Thank you for your love and support. If there's something you want to see us cook or experiment with, leave us a comment down below. We really appreciate you, and we will see you on the next video. Take care.